Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Binance US withdrawal whitelist on mobile. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Binance US mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the profile section located in the bottom right corner. Tap on security from the available options. Scroll down until you find withdrawal whitelist. Select Withdrawal Whitelist to view your current settings. If you have not yet set up a whitelist, you will need to add a withdrawal address. Tap on Add Address to proceed. Enter the cryptocurrency type you wish to whitelist. Input the withdrawal address carefully in the designated field. Make sure to also provide an optional label for this address for future reference. Double-check the entered address for accuracy. After verifying the details, tap on Submit. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process for security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification. Once the address is added, you will see it listed under your withdrawal whitelist. To verify, check if the new address is marked as active. You can edit or remove addresses from this section at any time. Regularly reviewing your withdrawal whitelist can help keep your account secure. Always ensure that you are using the latest version of the Binance US app. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section within the app. Following these steps will ensure that your withdrawal whitelist is properly set up and verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.